Nope. 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 Can somebody...
Show.
What did you say?
Nothing.
You ugly... Ah! Son of a... What's wrong with you, man? The
Bye.
Welcome to the Switch, a speed dating game. When the Switch lights up red, either player may press it to swap with another person. If neither of them press it, they will have a chance to interact in another round. The first round will be blindfolded.
This is a deep one. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Well, I guess I'll know when I see you.
Smooth. But seriously.
We have 30,000 viewers currently watching our live stream.
It was 45. Romeo and Juliet over there boring the audience to death.
Because sometimes you just get one chance to make a moment truly precious.
Wow, so how do you know if it's actually love? Does the light bulb switch on, or does the wind dramatically blow across your face?
Yeah. The guy comes out of nowhere and catches me as I fall.
You're rom-com jukebox, aren't you?
Guilty. I'm a believer in romantic cliches. You know, true love finds a way and such.
Well, some cliches are worth holding on to.
Just to be clear, the show only pays for the date, not the wedding. Alright, let's give others a chance. Our assistants will guide you to your waiting rooms. Do not take the blindfolds off.
That's what she said.
Next.
You gotta admit, they were cute.
They're cute won't get us any audience. They're not Baby Yoda. People want drama, they want something to yell about on Twitter and to feel good about themselves. Hand my participant info. This should be fun. These stink of shallowness. Let's have them on next.
Greg with Jane and Peter with Stephanie?
Yes, yes. And while we're at it, talk to them about Peter's and Jane's interest. Our audience will lose it if our lovebirds end up with different people.
I don't think we should.
Shh. Forget the rules. We're going with our blindfold next round.
Fine.
You can take the blindfolds off.
I thought that was for the next round.
We've decided to switch things up a bit, if you catch my drift.
Hola, mamacita.
Oh, hi. I'm Jane.
Hi, I'm Greg.
Well, Greg, I'm sure I'm not the first one to tell you that you're quite a hottie.
Thank you. I know I do give off those knights in shining armor vibes, don't I?
Yeah.
So, Kevin Hart or Will Smith? Which one do I look alike?
Oh my God, did you know they're my favorite actors?
Actually, yeah, I did.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Oh, you did?
Well, the last guy told me that you are into those kind of guys, so...
This guy isn't bad after all. He sure isn't winning, but he's ruining other guy chances too.
I didn't know we were supposed to exchange notes.
Greg, did you know that Jane is into baking?
carbs.
Let me guess. You're into fitness.
Into it? Look at me, man. I'm built like a god, Greek god. I mean, if you stick with me, I will help you get in shape as well.
Well, what makes you think I'm not?
You're fine, but with more exercises, less cake, you will be finesse.
Oh, Jane, did you know that Greg is into romantic movies and late night drives?
Well, I'm sure he's gonna find someone fine to do it with.
Well, that's not how I wanted things to go, but... Okay, let's get Peter and Stephanie on next.
Carl, we're playing with people's feelings here.
And they signed up for it, just like you. Get Peter on.
Fine.
Ooh, I got a hot one.
Thank you. You're pretty as well. I'm Peter.
Stephanie. So I'm the second girl you're talking to, right?
Yeah, but I haven't seen the first girl. I was blindfolded.
Kinky. But that's okay. I can tell you a little secret. She wasn't much of a looker. I would give her like 6 out of 10 at her best.
Oh, and what score would you give yourself?
Like, do you even have to ask? Even with a bedhead, I'm a 10.
Stephanie has a type. She's into guys who read a lot of books.
Oh, really? Who's your favorite author?
I don't know, like J.K. Rowling.
I used to really like her, but it's hard to be her fan these days.
I know, right? The Fantastic Beasts movies suck.
No, that's not what I meant. I meant the transphobia.
Oh yeah, that too. Speaking of phobias, I'm like super scared of the dark. So would you be a gentleman and walk me home?
You're not really into books, are you?
I'm into whatever you want me to.
Very tempting.
Ooh, do I sense a vibe? Are the prom king and queen going to tie the winner's knot? What the?
Sorry, Stephanie. I'm usually a logical person, and 9 times out of 10, I would have chosen you. You're absolutely gorgeous. But for some reason today, I don't feel like it.
They actually told me you were smart. Turns out you're just another nerd. I'm way beyond your league anyway, so good luck with that ugly freak and damn the show.
They told you, huh?
I've never seen a contestant drink from the glass of water. Makes you wonder why we even have it.
So what now?
Don't look at me like that. Dottie, I'm not the bad guy. Jane did say true love finds a way. I'm simply testing if that's true. Good love story needs some roadblocks.
Well, I hope they agree with you in hell, where they're going.
Did you tell the previous guy that I'm into romantic types?
No.
So he was lying then?
I certainly didn't tell him that, and speaking of lies, I believe Stephanie has also lied about you.
What did she say?
She said you're 6 out of 10 when she was clearly off by 4 points.
Oh, big bad Greg and Stephanie trying to ruin your chances with lies. Let's upset them with some truth, shall we? Jane, did you know that Peter once dated 3 women at once?
Is that true?
Peter, you are allowed to say yes or no only.
Yes.
Peter, did you know that Jane has been married once before?
Yes.
Jane, do you know that Peter still speaks to his ex?
Yes.
Well, that didn't go as planned.
Why? I wasn't going to press it.
I won't let someone else write our scripts.
Well, I guess we have our winner.
And who exactly is that, Carl? I guess people want happy endings once in a while.
Jane. Phew, I thought you left through a different exit or something.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to ask you out.
Great. While you're at it, why don't you just toss the engagement ring in the river and ask me to marry you? It's not funny, Peter.
Why didn't you reject me? Are you really okay with dating a guy who still talks to his ex or dated 3 women at once?
I'm not. But I just wanted to hear your side of the story.
Well, I did date 3 women at once, but they were dating others as well. It was casual. They all knew I was seeing others.
Why are you telling me this?
And my ex, we're just friends. There are no feelings whatsoever.
Okay, did you reject yourself because you thought I'm going to reject you? Or is it because I'm a divorcee?
I rejected myself, so my date can be cheerful when I take her out.
Oh my God, stop talking in riddles or I'm walking.
I thought you like guys who can be mysterious.
Mysterious, Peter, not annoying.
Here we go. You see, I've been suspicious of the show right from the beginning. Certain things didn't sit right with me. Then the assistant confirmed my suspicions, telling me that the director was meddling with us to create drama. It all became obvious they're feeding personal information to other contestants to manipulate us into liking them. So when we finally met, I was sure he'll try to incite conflict. I was confident you wouldn't reject me, but I saw sadness in your eyes when he mentioned the divorce. I didn't want him to go on, so I did what I felt was right. Left, but on my own terms.
You did that for me? True love finds a way.
So, what about a cup of coffee?
There's one more thing I want you to do for me.
What's that? You're so full of cliches.
Well, some cliches are worth holding on to.